wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is when you see a title like this. So if you guys want to know about the latest makeup launches, let's go. And yeah, this will be posted in time. Y'all know the Sephora sale is coming up, so let's see if there's anything that you need to go ahead and add to your cart. Okay, I keep seeing this brand, and I do believe I have one of their products in my wish list on Sephora. I still haven't checked it out though. I believe the name of the brand is Flur. Or is it Missing Person? No. Is it Missing Person? No. Okay, it says, addition to the Missing Person fragrance line body oil, a silky yet lightweight body oil infused with ceramide-rich floral oils and skin mimicking lipids that nourishes and easily absorbs into the skin, features their best-selling fragrance, Missing Person, a delicate yet addictive fragrance that evokes the lingering scent of your lover's skin. $45, floral musk. I'm intrigued. I know their stuff has good reviews on it, and I've seen people recommend it. I don't know, sometimes I really can't explain to you why I just haven't, like, you know, jumped to try something that I know I want to try. And you know, can never go wrong with a body oil. So would I try this? Yes, I would. Okay, new collab. Of course, it's Colourpop. Coming soon, Pokemon and Colourpop. At this point, when it comes to Colourpop collections, and if it's a collaboration, you're just gonna have to ask yourself, is it something, you know, that I need to buy myself to heal that inner child in me that could not get it, or that child in me that just wants to go back to being a child? I saw something on Twitter the other day that was like, millennials don't want to grow up. Like, they are afraid of being the new adults, so they are just clinging to childhood and stuff like that. And it might be working for some of these corporations, because that is how you'll be able to come out with stuff like this. And they'll be like, the kid in me that loved Pokemon is going to have to get this, because when I saw it, literally the first thing I thought was, I love Pokemon when I was a kid. But am I going to go ahead and look into this collection any further? Probably not. Okay, new. Beautiful Skin Island Glow from Charlotte Tilbury Easy Tanning Drops. Now, I have tried tanner before, and deeper complexions do use tanner, but I'm just going to go ahead and scroll. I have a tanner from, who is it, St. Ives or something like that, in my office area that I still I've never made the video on it. I never remember to use it because, again, but you know, summer's coming. You know, I'm already a chocolate Barbie, but if I want to be an even chocolate Barbie, I might break it out. I might do a video on it, see how it goes. But for now, I'm gonna keep scrolling. Auntie Charlotte. Okay, Sol de Janeiro, just in time for summer 2024. Their sun care line. Okay, that makes sense for them to launch something like that. All products with SPF 50 and with Chirosa 87 fragrance. Is that the yellow one? If so, I don't know. I used to like how that smells, but I tried it a year or two ago, and it smells like they changed the scent or something like that. Enriched with coconut water, Pitanga extract, seed extract, niacinamide for boosting radiance, Rio Radiance SPF 50 body spray, SPF 50 body lotion, SPF 50 body oil. Okay. I feel like it makes sense for this brand to launch this line. I am intrigued. Again, it is summer, so SPF body oil, body spray, body lotion is right up my alley. I'm just curious on how this smells, because the smell can be very hit or miss to me, but I would definitely at least go in store and see what that smells like. Celine Beauty is expanding their cosmetics line and now getting into color cosmetics. Oh, I'm just going to scroll, because looking at this is giving very keep scrolling, but you learn something new every day. Okay. Oop. New Ultra Blur Talc-Free Waterproof Translucent Pressed Setting Powder from Laura Mercier. An ultra blurring, finely milled, talc-free pressed powder, natural looking, soft matte finish. Infused with hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and silica powders, it blurs fine lines, pores, and imperfections while providing comfortable, non-drying, cake-free wear. Retails for $52. I mean, it's on brand for Laura Mercier, but $52 for a pressed powder. Where are we going? Like, I did like the blurring loose setting powder. I prefer the original translucent over the blurring translucent setting powder. However, I am still intrigued on the pressed powder because even though, you know, I liked the original more than the blur loose powder, I still liked the blur. And I feel like the blur in a pressed powder is really going to give like airbrushed under eye. I currently use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush pressed powder on my under eye, and I feel like this is kind of giving that. So I would try this out. It's $52, but I would try this out. Okay, we're just going with luxury makeup today. New gloss from Armani Beauty coats lips in maximal shine and hydration in just one swipe to enhance on smooth lips while delivering a sheer wash of dimensional color. This is one of those, like, if I ever get to the point where I try it, I try it. Something, y'all be hyping like luxury lip glosses and it just don't be given. Like, I'm so sorry. It's not beating the Fenty Beauties, the Elfs that I'll be trying when I try them. So this is one of those, like, if I come around it, I come around it. If not, I'm pretty sure I'll be okay. Okay, available now, new Shades Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter from Rare Beauty, an innovative powder highlight that gives skin an instant glass-like sheen for an easy, natural-looking glow that lasts. Retails for $25, so it looks like it's 2 shades, deep bronze and warm copper. It does look very pretty in the packaging. This is another one of those, like, if I come around it, I come around it. But y'all know, like, I don't actually, like, go buy highlighter, and I don't really use highlighter anymore either. However, the way this looks like if you do the whole, you know, like applying the product under foundation first, concealer, contour, stuff like that, this looks like it could be very pretty under your foundation, give you that kind of glow from within. And again, we are going into summer, so that's how I would probably try it if I did, but we'll have to see. Okay, what is this? Hold on, wait a minute, who's this? Okay, Too Faced. Joining the Chocolate Soleil family, say hello to the Chocolate Soleil Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. Easy cream bronzer and sculpting stick gives you natural looking second skin warmth and dimension that smells as good as it looks. Retails for $35, and I guess it comes in, I know I don't say 4 shades. I mean, it does look like there would be a shade it would be the one I would have to purchase if I was purchasing this. And the swatches look promising, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if you would want me to check that out. I couldn't tell you the last Too Faced product I used or purchased. The launches are giving boring, y'all. What is happening? We're getting into summer. This is when the fun launches are supposed to be coming out. Available now. New shades and new packaging, blushes and bronzers from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Primer-Infused Matte Blush retails for $7. Primer-Infused Matte Bronzer retails for also $7. The lineup looks crazy for this to be e.l.f. Maybe it's how it's photographed, but even the swatches. Don't piss me off, e.l.f. Don't do that. I'm going to keep scrolling. I might have to stop in a Target and see this in person. Because, okay, I am not liking what I'm seeing, y'all. Okay, new blush sticks. Back in August, Hailey Bieber teased a cheek product. Look, she's almost ready to drop it. Her cheek does look very pink in the picture. However, this is giving very much so it's going to be like a tint type blush. I'm more of the, you know, like pigment right out of the tube blush. I still haven't tried anything from Rhodes. I know, like, everyone was talking about the lip gloss, lip balms, and then she came out with the cell phone case that you're supposed to be able to attach one of the balms to it. You know, there's another brand like I'll probably get around to trying at some point. Am I jumping to go do that right now? No. New More Cushion foundations from Gucci. Designed to deliver up to 24-hour hydration, the lightweight foundation is enriched. I'm so sorry. I don't even care to finish the paragraph. Look at the shade range. All right, y'all starting to piss me off. All right. Okay, new Cloud Glow Primer from Milk Makeup. The cloud-like foam texture goes on clear, instantly preps skin to create a breathable, smooth base for makeup. Cloud Glow Primer brightens, hydrates, and evens skin tone so your skin's natural glow comes through. Yeah, I would try. First of all, it's Milk. They gave us Hydro Grip. So I already trust them when it comes to primers. Hearing the description, I would try this. It's not available soon, but I would try this. True Blend Skin Enhancer Primers and Luminizers from CoverGirl. Skincare infused skin enhancer primers. Unique textures and benefits can be mixed and matched to treat and enhance your unique complexion. Helps makeup apply with an even finish that stays put all day. Cooling gel texture, lightweight, breathable. So there's Plush to plump up dry skin. There's Velvet to blur pores. There's Cashmere, which calms and color corrects redness. And then there's Sticky, which tightens skin and grips makeup to last all day. Yeah, I try that. Absolutely. First of all, CoverGirl already got me after the foundation that they launched earlier this year. If this is how you're making your way back after, you know, a little hiatus, I'm absolutely all the way here for it. Which ones would I try out of that? Probably either Sticky or Velvet. And those two are to blur pores and tighten skin and grip makeup. Y'all know I like a gripping makeup primer. Absolutely, I would try this. It's not available yet. Oh, coming soon. New foundation. Face Bond Waterproof Liquid Foundation from Urban Decay. 3-in-1 combines foundation, serum, and setting powder. Delivers buildable medium coverage. Includes patent pending precision dropper, waterproof, sweatproof, 40 shades. They lost me a little bit when it said serum, and then they regained me when it said setting powder, like 3-in-1. Now I need to try it. They had the, is it Naked? No. They had the matte foundation, which was really good, really recommend for oily skin. Then they kind of phased that out. I don't know if it was to replace it with this, but I want to try it now. In this picture, those shades look kind of gray, but I'm still intrigued. I'm gonna try this. Okay, let's do like one or two more because, again, not impressed. Oh, I saw this on Target. New Fresh as Fig Soap and Glory limited edition body care collection. Okay. I haven't tried soap or I haven't used Soap and Glory in years. I could have sworn they like shut down, but then I started seeing like them on TikTok and stuff like that. So good for you. This collection will transform an everyday shower routine into a luxurious spa experience. Leave skin feeling velvety soft, smooth, and hydrated with every drop. This divine fragrance has luscious notes of plump fig and sparkling lemon blossom. The body butter is what I was looking at on Target, and it retails for $7.99. Body lotion is $6.99. Body scrub $7.99. Body wash $4.99. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and get that. I don't know why, like it threw me off when I saw it on Target because in my mind it was like, oh, I've never seen this before, but you never seen it before because it was new. Spooky. Oh, I keep seeing this brand on Sephora's website and like everything has like 4 or 5 star reviews. And I feel like it literally just came out of nowhere. It's probably a brand that has existed, but it's new to Sephora, so that's why it already has like 4 or 5 stars on there. But it's called Salt and Stone, just launched at Sephora, and they are already dropping new products. Revitalizing body mist to awaken and rejuvenate the senses, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated while an irresistible scent lingers. Perfect for layering with your body routine to ensure that your fragrance lasts all day. Retails for $45. I'm intrigued. Let me know if you've tried anything from this brand before. Like once it comes to like body care or fragrances, stuff like that, like you already got me. If it's going to make my skin glow, if it's going to, you know, make me look like a glazed donut, I'll be here for it. And if it's gonna make me smell like a glazed donut, I'll be here for that too. So let me know if you tried anything from this brand, anything that you would recommend, again, because that Sephora sale is coming up. Okay, and let's do this, the last thing before I see something else that pisses me off. New matte Buttermelt bronzer from NYX. I think I saw Drea do a video on this. This formula melts into skin, delivering a buttered up bronze finish and silky smooth skin. Infused with mango butter, shea butter, and almond butter for up to 12 hours of wear. For a sun-soaked bronze all year round in 8 soft glow shades, 10 dual hairs. The shades? Okay, I see a shade that, or two, that I would pick up. And y'all know like NYX is one of my favorite drugstore brands. I did just see that the Ulta near me just got the new Blur primer from them. Also, I'm wearing their new Duck Plump, gotta be careful with how you say that one, Duck Plump, like it's a lip plumper. Baby, now Fenty is probably my favorite, no, well, yeah, Fenty and Buxom are probably my two favorite lip plumper type products. This might make its way into that category very soon. First of all, you're gonna feel it once you put it on, okay? And I do feel like it made my lips look plumper. Sometimes I'll be thinking like, is that just my head playing tricks on me? But you definitely feel it, and it does feel nice and it looks nice on the lips. So NYX, they've been coming with the launches lately and I'm intrigued. So I will definitely pick this up, maybe do like a full face of NYX Cosmetics. But yeah, that is it for today's go around. Oh wait, hold on, because I see a new fragrance. This is going to be Balmain Beauty's first launch. What is the most exciting parts in the beauty world is to not answer to any trends, but to make any product timeless. It's the hardest to achieve, years of work, but I feel so proud today to finally share the first product called Confidential, where we just let the fragrance talk. It's the beginning of a new era for the house, Olivier. It's a statement from Olivier. Coming, oh, September. You could have kept that. It's March. But I am intrigued. I do want to see how this is going to smell. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Those are some of the new launches coming out, some of the new things to look forward to. If you were seeing if there's anything to put in your Sephora cart, it's given very much so. Baby, just stock up on what you ran out of or what's in your wish list, because at least in what I'm seeing here, I don't see anything to go rush out and use that 20%, 10, however much the discount is during this sale. I don't know. Something is just like 1 month we be good. I see launches, I'm like, okay, I want to go get that. I want to go get that. I want to go get that. Other months I'm like, do y'all not want money? Like, and I peep how we moving when it comes to shade ranges again. You give people a little time, they start going back to who they was. But that is it for this video. Let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see a video on specifically. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.